Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is ElevenLabs and Hume AI. So to get started with a quick overview, ElevenLabs is a leading AI voice platform known for its ultra-realistic, emotional, expressive text-to-speech and voice cloning, widely used for audiobooks, games, content creation and accessibility. Talking about Hume AI on the other side is a next-generation voice technology focused on emotion-aware speech generation, aiming to create a deeply human-like conversation by infusing real-time emotional cues into AI-generated voices. On the other side, talking about what this platform is best for, talking about ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is best for creators, publishers, and developers who need a highly natural, customizable voice for content, narration, and product. And here's the downside about this platform: it can get expensive for higher volume usage. Also, emotion is preset, not dynamically adaptive like Hume AI. Also, it has a limited built-in tools for interactive, for example, no direct chatbot layer. Then talking about the Hume AI, this AI platform is best for AI assistance, customer service, and interactive application where real-time emotional responsiveness is the key. And here's a quick downside about this platform: it has a fewer voice language option compared to ElevenLabs, less focus on traditional content generation or media production. Okay, also still early stage, it has a limited tooling and access. Now talking about the overall conclusion, so if you need a polished emotional nuisance voice for storytelling, audiobooks, or scalable content creation, just go for ElevenLabs. Then the other side, if your main option is to build human-centric interactive voice experience that's with real-time emotional intelligence and adaptability, just go for Hume AI. So let me know in the comment section which of this platform would be the best option for you.